Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 30 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. So, in the last video we have covered three words. The first word was legislation. It is an uncountable noun and legislation consists of a law or laws passed by a government. The second word was vow. It is a countable noun and a vow is a serious promise or decision to do a particular thing. And the third word was interruption. It is a countable noun and something that interrupts, such as a comment, question, or action. The act of interrupting or a state of being interrupted is known as interruption. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that if you are stuck at band 6.5 or less in writing section, we are providing writing correction service. So, you can join our Facebook group and get the advantages of it. So, don't forget to check it. The link is in the description box. Now, the first word is assault. It is a countable noun, and an assault by an army is a strong attack made on an area held by the enemy. The synonyms could be attack, campaign, strike, or rush. The example could be the rebels are poised for a new assault on the government garrisons. And the collocations are assault women, sexually assault, launch assault, common assault, indecent assault, assault by, assault on, assault charge, rape and assault. And the other things related to assault could be assault is also a variable noun. An assault on a person is a physical attack on them. Example could be at the police station I was charged with assault. The synonyms could be attack, beating, mugging. Assault is also a verb. To assault someone means to physically attack them. The example is the gang assaulted him with iron bars. The synonyms could be strike, attack, beat, knock. Let's jump to our second word, conscript. It is a countable noun. Conscript. A conscript is a person who is made to join the armed force of a country. The synonyms could be there are no direct synonyms. And let's go to the example. I can't believe we still have this kind of conscript labor in this day and age. Let's jump to the collocations. Army conscript, conscript into. The other things related to conscript, the noun is conscription and the verb is if someone is conscripted, they are officially made to join the armed forces of a country. The example could be he was conscripted into the German army. Let's go to our third word, freak. It is adjective. A freak event or action is one of that is very unusual or extreme example of its type. The synonyms could be unusual, extreme. The example is Veer broke his leg in a freak accident playing golf. The collocations are freak accident, freak out. And the other things is freak is also a countable noun. People are sometimes referred to as freaks when their behavior or attitude is very different from that of majority of people. The example could be not so long ago, transsexuals were regarded as freaks. The synonyms could be aberration, eccentric, anomaly, abnormality. In the next video, we will cover the word pivotal, archaic, disciplinary, and many more. Until then, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to join the Facebook group. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much.